Hello everybody, welcome to the ICT Grade 7 learning session on presentation. Today we're going to learn about how to import a chart from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. This video lesson will cover the reason why a chart from Microsoft Excel is imported to Microsoft PowerPoint, how to create a chart in Microsoft Excel 2016, how to import that chart from Microsoft Excel to Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. We will also watch together a demonstration on importing a chart from Excel to PowerPoint, followed by some quick tests, and finally end up the lesson with a recap. Let's start the lesson by asking why a chart from Microsoft Excel is imported to Microsoft PowerPoint. Once a chart has already been created in Microsoft Excel, it can be transferred by copying and pasting it in a PowerPoint presentation. So the question is, why importing it? This is because a chart created in Microsoft Excel can be imported and linked to a PowerPoint presentation. It is useful because we do not need to create the chart again in separate files, and also because any changes made to the original Excel chart will automatically be updated in the presentation. So there is no need to keep and update separate files for the same data to be presented. Before importing a chart, first let us see how to create one in Microsoft Excel 2016. In today's lesson, we are going to create a 3D pie chart. First, open Microsoft Excel 2016 software and create a workbook as shown on your screen. Then save the Microsoft Excel workbook as medal.xlsx, which is the format for an Excel file extension. Next, select all the data. Click on the Insert tab from the ribbon and choose the chart group. In our lesson, we're going to choose the 3D pie chart. The 3D pie chart is created. Now, save the Excel workbook again before closing it. You have just learned how to create a chart in Microsoft Excel. Now, let us see how to import that chart in a PowerPoint presentation. Create a new presentation. Click on the Insert tab from the ribbon and choose the Object command in the text group. Locate medal.xlsx file you have saved previously and click Open button. Check the box next to link to relay the Excel medal file to this presentation and click OK button. The chart created in Microsoft Excel is imported in the presentation. To make any changes in the chart, double-click on it in the PowerPoint file. The medal Excel file appears with its source data. Let us change the data in this cell from 84 to 55. Be sure to save the chart in Excel. This data change is automatically updated in the PowerPoint presentation as well as in the chart. Once a chart has been imported, it is important not to delete or move the original Excel file. As long as the files remain in the same location, changes will be updated automatically. If the location of the Excel or PowerPoint files changes, you will have to import the chart again. Now students, let's watch together a demonstration on how to create a chart in Microsoft Excel 2016 and importing that chart in a PowerPoint presentation. First, open Microsoft Excel 2016 and create a workbook as shown on your screen. Then save the Microsoft Excel workbook in the desktop and remember this location as medal.xlsx, which is the format for an Excel file extension. As you can see, the Excel workbook is saved. Next, select all the data. Click on the Insert tab from the ribbon. Choose the chart group. In our lesson, we're going to choose the 3D pie chart. The 3D pie chart is created in Excel. Now, save the Excel workbook again before closing it. Create a new presentation as shown on your screen. Click on the Insert tab and choose the Object command. Select Create from File in the dialog box, then click Browse to look for the Excel file. From the desktop, locate the Medal Excel file you saved previously and click the OK button. Check the box next to Link to import the Medal Excel file to this presentation and click OK button. The chart created in Microsoft Excel is imported in the PowerPoint presentation. To make any changes, double-click on the chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. The Medal Excel file appears with its source data. Let us change the data in this cell from 84 to 55. Make sure you save the Excel file. As you can observe, the data change in Excel has automatically been updated in the PowerPoint presentation as well as in the chart. As long as both files remain in the same location, changes will be updated automatically. If the location of the Excel or PowerPoint files changes, you will have to import the chart again. This is the end of the demonstration. Now, let's do a quick test to evaluate what you have learned in today's lesson. Read the questions carefully. You will have 3 seconds to answer. Which one of the following commands is used in the text group to import a chart? Is it A, text box, B, object, or C, header and footer? The answer is B, as imported objects or files inserted into the PowerPoint. Question number 2. What needs to be done in order to edit an imported chart? A. Click and drag the chart object. B. Click the chart object. Or C. Double-click the chart object. The answer is C, because to make changes in the imported chart, we double-click on the chart to open the Microsoft Excel source data. Question number 3. What feature will enable changes made to the Microsoft Excel file be reflected in the presentation? Is it A. Link, B. Browse, or C. Create new? The answer is A, because checking the box next to link will enable the chart in Microsoft Presentation to update itself when changes are made to the Microsoft Excel chart. Question number 4. A chart that is created in Microsoft Excel can be imported to a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. Is it true or false? The answer is true, as once a chart is created in Microsoft Excel, it can be imported by using Insert Object command. Last question. We can change the location of the Excel file after importing it to a PowerPoint presentation. Is it true or false? Well, the answer is false, as the link between the two files will be broken and changes made in the Excel file will not be reflected in a PowerPoint presentation. Well, this is the end of our quick test. I hope you have been able to get all your answers correct. Now it's time for a recap. A chart created in Microsoft Excel can be imported to a PowerPoint presentation by using Insert Object command. It is useful to import a chart instead of copying and pasting it, because any changes made to the original Excel chart will automatically be reflected in the presentation. As long as the Excel and presentation files do not change their location, the link will update changes in a dynamic way. Dear students, we have reached the end of today's lesson. Hope you have enjoyed watching this video. So, it's goodbye from me and see you soon.